In this episode of Ask Captain Chris, we will open your eyes to the possibilities of pleasure boating aboard your perfect boat.
Hi, I'm Captain Chris, and welcome to What is the Perfect Cruising Boat for You? Cruise along with us as we show you photographs and videos of different boats that we've seen along America's waterways. We'd like to help you establish your mission for your boat so you can decide what type of a hull design and a cabin design that will best fit your needs. Full displacement, semi-displacement, planing hull, galley up, galley down, master stateroom forward, aft, or midship, flybridge, or pilot house, and a million other questions that you might have. We hope to help you figure that out into this episode. Stick around. Let's take a cruise.
Do you dream of cruising around the world in your own boat? Or how about paddling around the pond? Are toys really important to bring with you? Some of you are fishermen and you love that blue-green water. Maybe swimming off the transom is fun. Love to have people aboard for dinner. Whatever size boat, big or small, there's something out there for you. Would you prefer something large enough to have your whole family aboard? Or cozy enough for just the two of you to cruise the Caribbean? Perhaps a sunset cruise around the harbor, or a cruise around the world for a trip of a lifetime. A pilot house is a terrific option. In addition to a fully enclosed helm station, you can cruise in comfort when it's not your turn at the wheel. Perhaps you'd prefer the panoramic views from the flybridge. There are lots of flybridge options in cruising boats.